I just start them at square one, the very basic methods of welding, and then we move on, and I try to get to advanced welding as quickly as possible so they have a greater chance. If they can't afford to go to college, they can at least leave here and make really good money.
I learned how to TIG some, and before I was just mainly MIGing, and now I can stick weld perfectly, and I'm starting to be able to TIG well. And before I was just doing one type, which was MIG, which is easy, and I'm starting to advance my skill set and learn new things.
Stick welding is the most basic, the most common type of welding that is done in most places. And so I start them with stick welding, and then we move on to MIG welding and TIG welding.
I think we have one of the best labs in all of Tuscaloosa, and the program's great, the teacher's great, we have all the materials and everything we could have. It's just a great learning opportunity.
We're blessed enough to have 20 plus welding machines that work properly, in addition to a CNC plasma cutter, multiple torches, handheld plasmas.
Most small schools, even like a lot of the colleges, don't have TIG welding machines, and just the amount of welding machines we have.
They're at a great advantage. There are some mentors to me across the state that have the similar goals for their students, but for the most part, your high school students are not going to TIG weld in other places. And I really push TIG welding. Not everybody agrees with that, but the industry in the local area, they need it, and the students need a chance to get in those jobs. And so I really push TIG welding. So I think in that particular way, they're at an advantage.